All right, students, so if you're watching this video, you are getting ready to get introduced to Digital Compass. So Digital Compass is an iPad app that the students will use to learn a little bit about digital wellness and literacy and safety. So this will be a grade that goes into Skyward, and you pretty much have the entire course to get this done. So we're going to spend some class time working on this. But again, you can work on this on your own at home, in Flex, homeroom, whenever you have a chance to do so, because again, this is due at the end of the course. All right, so I just want to show you guys kind of how it works and how I'm going to grade it, how I'm going to log in, how you're going to log in and things like that. All right, so once you guys open the app, you're going to go ahead and touch to start. Now, the first time you log in, you're going to click Start New Game, and your username is going to be your student number. All right, so your 6-digit student number, you would type that in here. All right, all your progress will be saved directly on the iPad. So once you download the app, you actually don't need the internet at all to use this. So you can kind of use it, wherever, whenever, and all the progress is saved on your iPad. All right, so I already have an account, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to hit Resume Game. So once you register your student number, then you can come back here at any time. You click Resume Game, and you would type in your number, and it would save your progress. Now, I used my first initial and last name as my login, so I'm going to log in.
Welcome to Anywhere.
It's going to take you through the
These
video.
kids may not look like you and me, but
I'm just going to head and skip that. You can't skip it the first time. So pretty much what you're going to be doing is you'll notice there's 8 letters in the word Anywhere. Your job is you are going to complete the stories that go with each of these characters, and each of these characters have different situations that they come to that you have to answer some different questions. Now, in order to get a good grade, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find all the different pathways for each of these characters. So it's kind of like choose your own adventure book. If you answer one question, you go down one path. If you answer the question a different way, you go down another path. So your goal, again, is to find all the paths for all the characters. So if you look at the bottom left of my screen, you'll notice there's like a little certificate there, okay? Once you start playing the game and playing the characters, you guys are going to have this little certificate. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, and this is the scorecard. So this is what you're going to send me at the end of the course, and this is how I'm going to grade it. Now, I have not done any of this. I've just done part of a character just so you can kind of see how it works. So what I'm going to do is when you are done with your scorecard and you're finished with all the characters, is I'm going to add up all your progress scores. So as of now, if you look, you'll notice I have one progress score which is a 19%. Okay, so right now this is not good, this is not done. So I would not submit this for a grade because I have not finished everyone's character. Okay, but what I would do is I would add all these up, and you would get a grade out of 32 points. And towards the end of the course, I'm going to go through the calculations, and each student's going to calculate kind of their grade and what they see. All right, so I'm going to go back. If you notice, I have a 19% for Digital Break. So Digital Break is the first character. So I'm going to go back to the first character there, which is the A. Okay, there's Digital Break. Okay, so now if I click Start Story, okay, it'll start my story again. I'm just going to mute this a second. Now you'll notice at the top there's a couple different icons. If you notice, there's a map. If I click on the map, okay, it's going to show me the path that I have already taken, okay, or paths. So everything that's in yellow is the things that I've already completed. You'll notice there's a lot of blue. So there's a lot of other paths that I have to go and redo the level and answer the questions differently to get all the paths. So your goal, hopefully, is to get 100% on all the characters, find all the paths, and then you'll get a good grade on this assignment. Again, if you don't find all the paths, you'll get a grade for each character out of 100%. And again, I'll average all those out, and you'll get a grade out of 32 points. All right, so hopefully this can help you explain what Digital Compass means, what Digital Compass is about, and how I'm going to grade it. All right, so at the end of the course, there'll be another video on how to submit your scorecard that hopefully will be filled up with a bunch of hundreds that you guys can submit to me for a grade. All right, if you guys have any questions, as always, just let me know. But again, you have the entire course to get this done, which is about 35 days. So we should have no problem getting this done, and hopefully everybody can get a 32 out of 32. All right, good luck, and email me if you have any questions.